before we started training, she was a bit of a lunatic. Given her name is Luna, but she was definitely a bit of a lunatic. So jumping on people, knocking people over. We couldn't get her to sit. We couldn't get her to stay. She would never follow directions. So.
How is she now?
She is fantastic. I mean, she's sitting here. She's been sitting here probably for about 20 minutes on her cot, which she was deathly afraid of when it arrived from Chewy, and now she is on her cot and she is staying. She sits. We can walk her. I could never walk her before when we first had her, and we've had her since she was a puppy, but I didn't know how to do any of that. So now I feel like I'm empowered to be a good owner for Luna. So it's great. We couldn't do it without you. So,
oh, thank you.
Yes.
Say that again. What did you say about the cot, Alex?
Oh, you're amazing.
Look at that. Here. Let's go.
She's gonna lay down now.
Good.
I don't have anything to say. I mean, what can I say?
Okay, so now I'm gonna, teach her that command, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna walk up to, I don't want her racing to it either. I want to, like that,
Okay.
let's go. I want to, just first few times, I want to walk up and make her pause, because I want her to know that I'm telling her to get on this thing. Okay, it's a command actually, so. Place. Good. Good. Let's go. Place. Good. Good. Let's go. All right, who wants to do it?
And then we go off.
And then you say, let's go.
Let's go.
And come at it from the other side. Do the same thing. Place.
Good job.
Choose from a weekly menu crafted by our chefs and nutritionists,
Let's go.
and we'll deliver fresh to your door.
And also when she gets on there, when her last foot hits the place cot, mark it with good.
Okay.
Right? So she knows that's the thing you want, is all 4 feet on there.
Let's go.
Place. Good.
Good.
That's a good one.
Let's go. Place.
Good.
Good.
To sum it up, I mean, we seemed like we couldn't do anything right, and it was frustrating. And now it's almost like it's supposed to be. You know, we're enjoying her more, and I think she's enjoying us. I hope more.
Look at her. She looks very calm. Aw. Good job, guys.